So transporting 14 cubic meters of concrete. Solution ndio hii hapa hivi. Here I have more than 6 pieces of the concrete mixer truck. These are XCMG brand. XCMG is one of the most successful when it comes to these concrete machines. Na kiwanda yao iko hapa hivi, and these are refurbished unit or reconditioned unit. So zimepakwa rangi tena, everything has been serviced and everything have been refitted, and also they got new tires. These are machines from 2021, and the truck head and the truck chassis is actually Sitrak. So hii ni machine iko ready for deployment. So kama mnafanya kazi ya koroga, mnataka kuingia kazi ya koroga, mko na construction company yenu, mnataka kufanya kazi ya koroga, hapa iko machine mzuri za kuanzia nazo, a very affordable budget. Na hii ni machine ikiwa refurbished iko nearly 80% new. So hii ni machine inakuja ikiwa imeingia job. These ones are right hand. So if any day you require these units, just give us a call and you're going to ensure we deliver you successful 14 CBM concrete mixer trucks. Thank you.